Hello friends, welcome to this whole new series. In this series I am going to show you how we can create a React Native chat application using Firebase Realtime database. So as you see here, I have created a chat application. So this is our desired output which we cover in this whole lecture or in this whole series. So here you can see this is the login screen where we have put the two text box. If I click here, new user, click here. So this is our sign up screen. So I am going to enter some data like testing user, @yapmail.com. Password will be any random password, whatever you choose. So as you can see here, this is our message list screen where you can see that there are a number of users, and here this is the user which I have just signed in or registered. So we can also change the image of this. So just click on this. So we have opened a gallery here, and I'm going to update the profile image. So here you can see my profile image updated, and here is the logout button, and here you can see that there are a list of users. So if I want to chat with this user, so just click hi. So this is our chat screen. So our message is sent, and we can also send image just like this. So here you can see our image is sent successfully to that user. If I click on this logout button, so we have logged out successfully. So in this whole tutorial I am gonna show you how we can create these functionalities. So let's directly jump into the tutorial and see how we can create this chat application. So we will meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.